Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I am thrilled to share with you something that has been on my mind for a while now. In this video, we are going to talk about insert topic here. I believe this is a subject that deserves more attention, and I am excited to dive deep into it with you. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any of my future videos. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's get into it. As the clock ticked closer to midnight, Tom found himself still scrolling through his social media feeds. His eyes were tired and his mind was numb, but he couldn't seem to tear himself away from the endless stream of posts and updates. He knew he had an important exam the next day, but studying seemed like an insurmountable task compared to the mindless distraction of social media. He had always struggled with motivation and focus, but lately, it seemed like his addiction to scrolling was getting worse and worse. Tom had always been an avid user of social media. He loved the feeling of being connected to the world, of seeing what his friends and family were up to, and of discovering new ideas and trends. But lately, he had been spending more and more time on his phone, mindlessly scrolling through posts and updates that he didn't really care about. He knew he was wasting his time, but he couldn't seem to stop. Every time he tried to put his phone down and focus on something else, he felt a sense of restlessness and unease. He didn't know what to do with himself without the constant stimulation of social media. As the night wore on, Tom found himself spiraling deeper into his scrolling addiction. He started feeling anxious and overwhelmed, realizing that he was neglecting his responsibilities and his own well-being. Just as he was about to give up and resign himself to a sleepless night of scrolling, he stumbled upon an article about video generators. Intrigued, he started reading more about the technology, fascinated by the possibilities it presented. The idea of being able to create high-quality videos with the help of AI seemed like a dream come true. Tom had always been interested in video production, but he had never had the time or resources to pursue it seriously. With an AI video generator, he realized he could create amazing videos without having to spend hours on editing and post-production. Excited by the possibilities, Tom decided to dive deeper into the world of AI video generators. He started researching different tools and software, learning about programming and video production, and experimenting with different techniques. At first, it was tough. Tom was used to the instant gratification of social media, but learning about AI video generators required patience and persistence. But as he started making progress, he felt a sense of satisfaction and purpose that he had never experienced before. Slowly but surely, Tom started building up his skills and knowledge. He started creating his own videos, experimenting with different styles and techniques, and sharing his work with the world. To his surprise, people loved his videos. They were amazed by the quality and creativity of his work, and many started asking him to create videos for them too. Before he knew it, Tom had turned his scrolling addiction into a profitable business. He had built a loyal following of fans and customers, and he was making more money than he had ever imagined. But more than that, Tom felt a sense of pride and accomplishment that he had never felt before. He had turned his addiction into passion, and he had proven to himself that he was capable of so much more than he had ever thought possible. As Tom prepared for his next big project, he couldn't help but feel grateful for his addiction to social media. Without it, he might never have discovered the amazing world of AI video generators, and he might never have realized his true potential. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found it informative and valuable. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.